Ella, Anna, 4 high press. Press! Good luck, coach.
Come on, girls.
Come on, girls. Come on, come on. Let her start a game. Let her start a game.
One pass back. Maybe see Saya.
Press! Okay, right away, Ella! Right away, Ella! No, Ella, you got it right. Scarlett, you're the center mid, show!
Up. All the way up. Got Rosie. Saya. Saya, drop.
Shoot it, Olivia! Cycle, cycle, Scarlett! Cycle it back, Anna. Cycle it back. Okay, other side. Other side. Very good. Touch forward. There we go.
Go, Olivia.
Okay, everyone. Oh, that's when she touched it. Press her, Ella. Forward, Scarlett. Rip it. Oh, I love it.
Great pass.
Great pass. So, Olivia, the through passes are coming all the time. You got to be ready, okay? One thing I can't hear, names. Okay? 4 high press.
Hey, Olivia. Right up in the line.
Olivia, on the line. On the line. Scarlett, you too. Scarlett, you too. On the line.
There you go.
Scarlett, on the line. Press. Run in. That's you, Scarlett.
Get wide, Anna.
Outside.
Good.
Touch forward.
Good girls.
Yes.
Great girls.
Come on, Anna. Yes.
Be a choice for
I don't
us.
mind that. Other side. Scarlett, dribble. 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 Yeah. Body. Body. Use your body. Yeah.
Go, Olivia. Good ball.
Olivia, keep it in.
That's okay.
That's your ball, girls. Right away, Scarlett. You. No, Ella, not you. Too late. Too late. Play. Ella, I want Scarlett taking those when it's in that position and or Rosie. Okay?
Right at the line, Olivia. Go.
Go. Go. Go.
Yep.
Come on, Anna. Come on, Anna. Yeah. Yeah, other side. That's you.
Go, Olivia.
Go, Olivia. Go. Pass, Olivia. Pass. What? Scarlett, get it back. Thank you. Good.
Girls, that looks good. Wide, wide, wide.
Get back, Scarlett. Get back, Scar.
Rosie.
Good job.
Rosie, take it. Ella, go for now, Olivia, you're up here with your player.
Hey, Marks. Ella, Mark. In front of her in the net.
Anna, you need to have
Anna,
a player.
Mark.
You're 13.
I love it. You got to turn and go, Olivia. Go. 1 to beat. 2 to beat. Outside. Go.
Great pass.
Go, Anna, go. Look for the pass. Yes.
Go, Olivia.
Good. Anna, very good. Hey. Scarlett, right away. Go for it. Scarlett. Scarlett, dribble. Let's go.
Get in there, Anna.
Okay, girls, come here so you're together.
Now, girls, remember. Scarlett, remember.
Sabra.
Yeah, you cannot score off a dribble in. Okay?
No, I think Scarlett. Scarlett, call your...
No, that's Ella.
Oh, good job, Ella.
Call your subs. Let's go. Anna.
Olivia. Rosie. Good, that was good and assertive, girls.
Come on, Rosie, run. When we call a sub, I need you to hustle.
Girls out there.
Scarlett, you're moving the ball beautifully. Just keep playing. Don't stop. The only thing I need is yeah.
Good job, Annie.
I love it, Charlotte. I love it. I love it, Charlotte. Keep it in, Ella. Oh, Ella. It's okay. Hey, Ella, that's out of bounds. Annie, you got to come back. No. Behind her. Goal side. McKenna, I want you a little further back, please. Yeah, thank you, Ray. Step in.
Good job, Annie.
Battle. Keep it in, Annie.
Yes, Annie.
Come back, Annie, in between her and the ball.
You guys have to mark up. Right, Ray,
Hey.
this is your player. Hannah, that's your player. Ella, you stay high.
Other side, hey, yeah. Just go, move back, Hannah. Go, Annie. Back, Annie, come on. Annie, you're.
That's okay, take
That's
a
fine.
second. Good
That's
job,
fine. Go,
Ray.
McKenna, go. Annie, just have confidence in your decision. I like your decision. Just have confidence in it, okay? Out. Hannah, you're gonna dribble in. Cycle the ball. Cycle. I love it. Go, Annie.
Oh, good job, Annie. She tried to do a cheer, like a celebration. Nice celebration, Annie.
Hey, Hannah, don't forget, when we're cycling, we're using the back to cycle, okay? 4 high press. 4 high press. 4 high press, Annie. Let's go. Come on, Ella, step in. That's you, Ella, step. So McKenna will slide into the ball. You in on the other team. Does that make sense? So both teams will come off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, where am I going then?
Center mid.
Okay, good.
Talk,
Talk, girls. You're all silent. Keep.
Girls, you gotta talk to her. Let you know when.
Hey, more talking, please. Ella, come on. Talk loud.
Mark up, guys.
Follow her, Ray. Follow her. Follow her. Follow her. Follow her.
Annie,
Anna
drop.
back.
Annie,
Anna
drop.
back. Anna.
This. Yep. See the
Annie,
ball,
you're
though.
not paying attention.
See the
Okay?
ball.
No, like you're turning. Yes, but you got to drop the face forward, girl. Mark her. Mark 3. Mark Megan. Go for it, McKenna. Go.
Scarlett.
Go, McKenna. Go.
Go deep.
Press.
Job.
No retreat. No retreat. Stay there, girls. Stay there. No. Drop, Hannah.
She's not. She just went.
Go for it. Annie, go. Turn. Rip it.
Oh, good try, Annie. Retreat, girls.
Retreat.
No, girls, McKenna, right up at the line.
Straight at the line, McKenna.
Get ready to pressure.
Come on, Annie. 4 high press. Let's go. Mark your side. Mark your side, Annie. Don't hurt her, girls. Yeah. Okay, girls, it's her ball. Okay, back up. Everyone back. Hey, Annie, stop watching the ball. Mark the person. No, you're just close side on her.
Yep, go, girls.
Press.
Amani, leave that side. I'll take it. Amani, go.
Follow her. Follow her tight, Ray. Press her. As soon as she goes, press. Come on. That's you, Hannah. That's you. Come on, Hannah. Get it back. Ray, press in.
Good job, Hannah.
Good, Hannah. Go. Come on, McKenna. Go. Come on, Charlotte. Step in, girl.
Mark up,
Mark, girls. Get it back. Yes. Go, Ella. Go, McKenna. Go, McKenna. Go. Ella, go with her and call for it. I love that, McKenna. I love that, McKenna.
Hey, girls,
Good, Ella. Press in. Shoot, girl. Annie, get in there. Why are you walking? Annie, come on, girl. Annie needs to sub. Come on, Annie. Yep. Now pass back. Now pass back. Other side. There we go. Forward.
Harry.
Forward.
Get back, make it drop.
Through pass. I love it.
Guys, the ball is there today.
I love the through ball. I love it. Get ready to do
Sorry,
something.
guys.
Hey, one of you's tight on her, one of you's back. Take a touch and shoot with your left.
Shoot!
That's okay.
No retreat. Why are you standing around? Mark up. McKenna, come on, battle for it. McKenna, battle for it. Battle. Good, corner, refs up. Hey, girls, stop sign her. Hey, Hannah, Grace, you have to stop sign her. She's very skilled in her feet, okay?
Krishna, it's a corner. Go take it. Krishna. Back in. Stay there. Good. Casey comes out.
Go. Out. Out. Now go. Now go, Anna. Now go. Scarlett, marker. Scarlett, marker.
That's okay, our ball.
Us. Yep.
Red, Lisa.
No.
Pull Hannah off.
Hannah, get off. Hannah, get off the field.
Oh, yeah, we have an extra player.
Hannah, you gotta listen for yourself, okay?
Girls, you have to be loud.
I want ball movement. Ball movement. Touch forward. Touch forward. Other side. Other side. Other side, Rosie. Other side. Other side. Rosie. Other side.
Olivia.
Okay?
Hi. Remember, no, Olivia, it's our ball. Hi.
Our ball. Scarlett on the ball. Scarlett on the ball. Or Rosie. Or Rosie. She's got to back up.
You should take it.
Yeah, I agree. 1,000%. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Move
Yes.
it, Olivia.
Go. Scarlett.
It's either going to go Scarlett or the number 9 choice.
Line, Scarlett.
After goalie training and
Hey, Scarlett. Who's behind you in pressure? Right? No, nobody's talking. Back up, Anna. Scarlett, just mark that space. Just mark it. Press. Press. Go. Go, Olivia.
Bobby, take a touch first.
Scarlett, just mark the space. Mark the space, Scarlett. Back up.
Rosie, goal side, Rosie. Be on the goal side. Be behind her.
Rosie, behind her, girl.
Eliana, don't hide.
Now go. Ellen, go. Go, Scarlett. You got to run with her.
Oh, Olivia.
Scarlett in the middle. In the middle. Good. Look for Scarlett.
See Annie. No retreat.
No retreat. Just mark.
Annie needs to drop the line.
Annie, drop.
That's your ball, Olivia.
That's you, Scarlett.
Oh, talk, girls.
Talk, talk, talk.
You got McKenna.
Other side, other side, other side. Yes. Now down the wing. There it is. Now go. Now go. Shoot it, Annie. Yes. Yes. Hey, that started with McKenna to Rosie to the wing. Beautiful. Yeah, she's
Just about seeing the whole Annie.
This is the one spot that's mine. You can come close to her. This is Coach Speed's. Well, press.
Your side wing.
So Scarlett, the 3 will press and you'll mark 10. Okay, 3 will press, mark 10, Scarlett.
Get a foot.
Yeah, you gotta go get it now, McKenna. Keep it in. Not towards the net. Hey, McKenna, we never cross back towards the net under that pressure. Better to just kick it out, okay?
Yeah, I was going to say just let them. If you
Yeah.
want to kick it out,
Kick it out, yeah.
Never question
Yeah.
them. 'Cause
Hey, come on. Why are you
Oh, it's our ball. It's our ball.
Oh, it's our ball? Is it retreat? Use Scarlett. Use Scarlett. Scarlett, the pressure's gonna come on your back. Turn. Wide.
Hi, Olivia.
Wide.
Keep it in.
Yes.
Go, Olivia.
Go, Olivia, go.
Use
Go,
your
Olivia,
wheels.
go.
Use your height. Not your height. Your
Come on, Olivia, press it. Scarlett in the middle, just straight right there. Wait, Scarlett. Marker, Scarlett. That's out. That's Scarlett. I want Rosie on the ball. I want Rosie on the ball. I want Rosie on the ball. Scarlett, show back. Scarlett, show in the middle.
Yep, right there.
Right there, Rosie. Outside,
Now
Scarlett.
get wide, Annie.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Hey, that's the right idea. But Scarlett, other side. Scarlett, tight on her. Tight on her. Tight on her. Scarlett. Scarlett. Tight. Yes, on 10.
Olivia,
Come on, Anna.
good job. Good step, Rosie. No.
Who's the double?
Sabraf.
No, who's the double?
Sabraf.
Ref substitutions.
Rosie. Annie.
Rosie's the double.
So,
Okay.
girls, be assertive.
Scarlett, girls, come on. Listen.
Good call.
Hey, you're just tight on her. Hey, when
She's stepping on my foot.
Cycle outside, other way. Come on, Braylon. Braylon. You can't wait. Okay? Outside. Girls, show tight for her. Tight for her. Braylon, get outside. Braylon. You can't touch into them. That's the second time. You touch out. Hey, it's a goal. It's a goal. Braylon, better to kick it out than back. Right? Okay, right up, right up. Who's the center mid? Braylon makes. Come on, go, Ella. Go, Ella, go.
That's okay, use it, Ella.
Believe in yourself, okay? Tough on her. You're strong on her. Both of you are strong on her. They're not gonna sub her, guys. So. I love it. A bit more up, girls, and talk. Talk. Rosie, tight on her. Girls, you're bunching up. Ella, come on, Ella. Come on, more up, pass back under the pressure.
Girls, you have to talk. You're too quiet.
Hey, come on, talk. Come on. They have the ball, so mark. Mark.
Tight. Yeah, good job, Ella.
In between her and the ball, Hannah. Forget that. In between her and the net, Hannah. Hannah, between her and the net. That's a foul. Rosie on ball. Girls, you are all tentative, standing on your feet. No one's on their toes.
No, Anna.
Anna, it is not you. It's Rosie's ball. Rosie, boot it into space. Ella, go. There. That's you, Ella. That's you, Ella. Keep it in. Yep. Now you gotta get it, Ella. Get it back. Guys, on her. Don't run by her. On her. Hannah. She's just running by. Hannah. Stop sign her. You don't run next to her. Stop sign her. Okay? Closer, Ray.
No pressure.
Girls. Girls. Defensive. Do not pass through the middle. Outside. Okay? Hannah's going to deep. Pass it. Charlotte, she's gonna press. Hannah, find Find the space. Okay? Let's go, Charlotte. Let's go. Press forward. Braylon. Handball. He's on ball. Just pass it around, guys. Do not pass through the middle.
Go, Amani, pressure! Pressure, Amani!
Ella. Okay. Yes.
Lizards, look alive. Rossi, goal side. Job, Anna.
Go, Anna, go! Pass it! Refs up! Braylon. Come on, please. Let's go.
Rossi and Ray.
Rossi and Ray. Who's the other D? Hey, you two. I found you.
Oh, right idea. Orange, you need to start talking to each other. Olivia, right at the line. Why do you keep going past it? Hannah, you gotta be right on her. That's okay, your ball, Ella.
Why are you
Good movement, Olivia. Work hard. Come on, Scarlett. Good stop sign. Yep, good job. Not through the middle. Keep going. Retreat.
Come alive, Lizards. Let's go.
Amani, she's not home. She's pressure. Megan, you're gonna help Amani. Are you ready, Amani?
Press forward, McKenna. Touch forward. Move the ball. Move the ball. Move the ball. Move the ball.
Megan, your ball. Amani,
McKenna,
center.
on her.
Amani.
On her.
Where's Scarlett?
Amani, center.
Scarlett on Amani.
Up the line.
That's
Amani,
fine.
Center. Go up the line. Away. Away.
Scarlett on her.
Away.
Close to her. Press her. Yeah, well, Annie, why are you the striker? Go.
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 Go, Olivia.
Both of you, go.
Go. Use a move.
Good, Mason.
Come on, Olivia, get it down. Pass.
Go.
Turn and go.
Annie's on the wrong side.
Who is?
Oh, no, she.
Annie. Scarlett on 10. Tight. Press. Press.
Go again, Olivia.
Come on, Scarlett, on you.
Good job.
Play.
Corner.
Play.
It's corner. It's
Corner.
corner. Get up there. Back post, Ella.
No, I don't want the 2D drop doing this, okay? To McKenna. To McKenna. Yes. Make your run, Hannah.
Keep it in.
Come on, girls.
McKenna, right on her.
On her.
Ella, you have to.
Step in, Ella. Go. Come on, Ella. Now you gotta get it back. There we go. Go, Scarlett. Scarlett. Yes. Hannah, get control of the ball. Hannah. Go, go, go. You got one to go.
Yeah, boys. Now pass it.
Now pass. Hannah, I have to repeat myself over and over. Do not pass through the middle and the back. Let's go, girls.
doing right now? Just talking.
Ready? Listen. Okay. 2 goals, all came from the same that they scored. Well, one. You guys are not. 2. Every goal they have scored comes from the pressure here, where the ball, our goaltender gives it here, and our defenders touch into this space. This is very incorrect. Girls, we touch to the outside. Instead of the ball goes out of bounds, Jackie and I go here. We don't care.
That's your decision. If you feel like, this isn't going well, I'm taking the ball down.
She's going to pressure every time. So what happens to all of our through passes, to all of our moving the ball? Yeah, they're pressing harder. That's yeah, and you guys aren't talking. Okay. No, Jackie, I'll run the line and start. Let's go, babe. We're going to have some. Defenders, come higher. Higher and closer together. Touch forward, Scarlett. Scarlett. Move forward, Ray's ball. Raylan's ball. Raylan's on the ball.
Move up.
Show for her, Scarlett. Rosie, you too, show. You, Scarlett. You, Scarlett. Come on, girls, talk. Olivia, why are you back? Olivia, why are you there? Okay. Dump it. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia. How's you step in?
Talk, girls.
Talk. Please talk. Go, go, Olivia. This is it. I like you, Olivia. I love it. Ella, can you please send it to me if I can? Scarlett? Yes? Yes.
Shannon.
Four high press. Four high press. Press. Presser. Intercept it. Go. Go. Ella. Relax. Relax. Okay? Okay. Relax.
That's okay. You got it.
Turn and face. If it comes to you, you gotta move to it.
Four high press. 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 Go, Scarlett. This is you. Scarlett, don't rush it. Okay? No retreat. Girls, you're so silent.
Sorry, I'm trying to. I'm not.
Scarlett. Scarlett, you.
Go too high behind.
Scarlett, just get it. Stop sign her. No, stop sign her now. Come on, Scarlett. You're panicking. You're panicking.
I didn't tell her name. I just texted Gabe. I said, Gabe.
Talk, Annie and Scarlett. Talk.
John Ray.
Step in. Yep. Forward. Good ball.
I can drop.
Go on wheels.
Now we get back.
Gabe, look at your phone. Look at your phone. Yes! Oh, right again, no retreat.
Turn and face.
Find a player, Olivia. Yep, that's your ball, Ella. Good job.
Come on, girls.
Right on her.
Press her. She stepped in. You, Scarlett. Go for it. That's you again, Scarlett. That's you again, Scarlett. Keep control. Yes.
Go, Annie. Yep. Oh, Olivia,
Scarlett.
You got Ella.
Get it, Scarlett. Get it, Scarlett. Touch forward, touch forward. I love it. Girls, can we communicate? Come on, Olivia. You're bunching up. Look, 3 of you together. I don't want that.
Now
Okay?
you stay here. Annie, mark up here. Right here, Annie. Yep.
Scarlett, turn and face.
So I got anything in the middle.
Step forward, Rosie. Rosie,
Oh.
don't just kick it away. Okay? I like the idea. Come on,
Olivia.
Scarlett, go for it.
Why so passive?
Olivia's gonna knock this right.
If unsure,
Yeah.
go over to them.
Nope, we're gonna put Scarlett in striker in a second.
Where do you want Morgan?
Oh, sorry. Never mind. Striker.
Yeah.
Hey, girls, tentative. Let's go. Let's find some energy.
So Olivia, you're here. And good job, girls.
Full side, good.
Presser. Very good. You're bunching up. I love
To
that.
the ball.
Girls, don't bunch up.
No.
Scarlett, get control. Use your
Mark
defense.
up. Ref stop.
Ref sub. Yep. No problem. Ella in between her.
Center mid.
Yeah. Hannah's on the wing. Ella center mid. Center mid.
Jets on.
8, 10.
Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Who didn't come off? Scarlett.
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 We need a second mid.
Yeah, it's Ella right now.
Okay.
Hey, calm down.
Okay, no, Hannah. You have to have one of those players. What is Hannah?
You're on the wing.
Yeah, right. But you have to have
Right.
a player.
Over.
Hannah can be left wing.
Come on, Hannah. Let's go, girl.
Goal side! Orange! Ball
Stay in your net. Go, Ella. Go. Space. Take it.
Get ready, Morgan.
Go, Ella. I love it. Dribble forward, Hannah. Dribble forward. Yes. Dribble forward.
Make a move. Pass for it. Good, Hannah.
Forward. Ella, be there for them. You don't need you on D.
Turn it on.
Ella, what is in their end of the field, you have to be in their end. Okay?
So Anna, you're on this side. Anna, you're on this side. Yeah. Girls, right up to the line. Go. That's okay. Our goal. And Rosie's goal.
Casey covered. Coffee drop. Coffee drop.
Anna, more.
Into the middle. Dribble forward into that middle space.
Come on, Megan. Come on, Megan. Stop. Yes. Good. Holding on to your ball. Megan up. Team up.
Tight, really tight.
Coffee.
Tight.
Stay on her.
Anna, that's your man.
Don't get some back.
Stay that space.
Go, Anna.
Fine, that's it.
Go, Ella. All the way. All the way. Unlucky.
Girls, it looks better.
That looks better.
Megan, son up.
No, Scarlett, up. Not now. Not she. Not towards it.
No, Olivia.
Olivia's up next. Go, Morgan. Go. Go, Morgan. Ella, don't just kick it away. You're too. Now get it. Get it, Anna. Stop siders.
That's good. That's okay. Good job, Rosie. Keep it in. Good
Yep.
keeping. Go. Yes. See, Hannah?
Forward motion. Yep.
Now get
Move,
wide. Get
move,
wide.
move. wide.
Stay in the middle.
Scarlett,
Secure
you're
the middle.
Ella, you were tight on her no matter what.
Maya, this way. See what? Center. Big triangle. There's our triangle. See it? There's our triangle.
Ella, just relax.
Maya, that's right. Now, Maya, you're going to win it back when it comes in. Amani, that's your player. Stay okay.
Anna, down the line.
Maya, win it when it comes in. Win it, Maya. Strong,
Forward.
Maya. You got to be strong.
Now through the middle.
Oh, right idea. Good try, Rosie.
Hey, Rosie, that's what.
No retreat.
Follow her, Ella.
It's going
Big one, Krishna. Big.
Ella, careful if you pinch.
Go, Tina. Ready? Get ready.
Good ball.
Come on, get up, Anna, get up, Anna. Ella, forward, forward motion.
See Hannah. Go, Morgan.
Ref, can we sub on that or is it?
Maya, wide. Maya,
Guys,
wide.
right on them.
Mark, Mark, Hannah, Mark.
Anna.
Anna, why are you not marking?
There you go. You're good.
Step in, Ella. She's on your back.
That's okay. Again.
Again.
Tight.
Krishna, you can boot it if you need to.
Relax, Anna.
Go, Maya. Maya, go.
Step in, Rosie, step in. Ref sub.
Go, Amani. Center.
Refs up.
Amani.
Strike, Scarlett.
Can you
Anna,
do
off.
it?
Ella, stay in center mid.
Hey, good job. You can touch on the ball. Hey, good job. Good job, Anna. Yeah, goal side, goal side. See Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Olivia, pass back. Pass back. Cycle it. Cycle. That's what I want. Okay, now mark up.
Yep. On 10, Ella.
Ella, 10 is the...
Go to the ball. Go to the ball. Go to the middle.
Left
See
foot.
Olivia. Ball again. No retreat.
No retreat. Scarlett,
Good step, Rosie.
handball. Scarlett, come on, girl. You know way better than that.
Eliana, your ball.
Scarlett, you're the striker.
Amani, leave it.
Hey,
Amani, leave it. It's Eliana's ball. Up. Tiwa.
Ella.
Just
right
follow
on.
the players. Don't bother. No wall. Just mark.
Annie, your player's here.
Press, Ella. Press these. Now press it, Rosie.
Good job, Rosie. Good ball.
Go for it, Scarlett. Burn the boat. Yes! Rosie.
Do you see what it is? They're all like,
Rosie. Good job.
they high five in a group midnight.
Scarlett. High press. 4.
Get there.
Mark! Mark! Charlotte, get in your net! Charlotte, get in your net!
just put it down and then just waiting. That's what happened. And then she just came in and kicked it.
No, it's not very fair. You guys should redo that.
It's fine,
Forward,
get it back,
forward! Look for Scarlett. Annie, you got that touch, girl.
You're good, Annie. Don't worry.
Let's go, let's go.
Tight.
Don't bunch up! Don't bunch up!
Watch the middle.
Look for Scarlett.
Puppy, strong puppy.
Cross it.
Come on.
Girls, come on, Annie, play!
Here we see Tiwa. Pass.
Let it go. Here she comes, Rosie. Unlucky. Make yourself look.
Stop, Rob. Casey, stand up. Talk to each other.
No, it's 4-3. 4-4? Okay, did she step on your foot? I know that hurts.
Charlotte, Ella, you're off. Scarlett, center mid.
You're okay.
Let's get one here, girls. Pass back. Forward motion, Scarlett, forward. Scarlett! Scarlett, mark! Scarlett, mark!
Annie needs to mark. That's good.
Okay, girls, let's go, girls, let's go.
Girls, who's on
Mark!
number 3?
Mark! Rosie, just step in. Step into it. Yes, girl, again. Girls, don't let her move in front of you. Scarlett, tight on 10. Scarlett, follow 10.
Oh, it's seeing.
Good, Rosie.
Like too often, we're running at this.
Pick it up.
But our backs to the
Do not put it on the ground. Rosie, down the wing. Yes.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, Morgan, get in the game. Go, Scarlett, go.
Go, Morgan!
Go, Scarlett, with her.
Casey.
Keep it in, Anna. Cycle it. Cycle, cycle.
Ray, take it, Ray.
Ray, yours. Come on, Scarlett.
Go for it down the line, Anna.
Show, Ray. Cycle it. Go, Scarlett. Go, Hannah, go.
You, Saka. That's you. Okay. Amani, Casey, and Puppy. Amani.
Hannah, great job.
Morgan, let's go.
Morgan, Anna. Annie, are you going? She's got to go center mid.
Center mid.
Okay,
Scarlett, striker.
front. Okay, far side. Okay.
Get ready, Anna. You're going to straight back once. Yeah, you can. Forward motion.
Yes.
Away from the net.
Good job, Olivia. That's fine. Look alive, Orange. See the ball. See your player.
Raylan,
Goal side.
just stay there, Ray. Let's go, get it back.
That's okay.
Let's go, let's get it back.
Blizzard.
Let's go, Blizz. Let's go, Scarlett. Bring some energy or I'll sub you right off. Let's go, forward.
It wasn't on the line.
Get Maya. Just stay. Defense first. Team on the right.
Forward motion.
Now you go, Maya.
Go,
Now you go,
Olivia,
Maya.
come on, Olivia.
Good, Maya.
Right away, Olivia, right away. Don't wait.
Rosie, move up the ladder.
Shoot.
Okay, no retreat.
No retreat. Let's go.
Krishna.
Drop, Annie. You still gotta be. Get there. Right there.
Step in, Rosie. Step. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Lots of pressure.
Actually, no. Maya, leave it.
Scarlett, stay positive where you come off.
Zion.
Scarlett.
Okay, girls, I'm halfway marking a player.
Hey,
Maya,
Ella,
you're
get
right
in
there.
the game.
Stay there. Stay there, Maya. USC. Sadie up the line. Up the line. Sadie up the line.
You guys.
Go, Scar. Don't bunch up. Don't bunch up.
That's
That's fine.
Sadie.
Again.
Up the
Their ball.
line, not the middle. Your ball, Sadie.
Great defense.
Sadie, the line this way. Don't take the
Rosie,
middle.
the goal side. Behind you. Just
Big one, big one.
Yep, Olivia.
Go, Olivia. Now look for the pass.
That's okay, corner.
Corner. Just a quick pass. Olivia. Ella, quick. Go for it now. Now, Scarlett. Quick pass.
And now.
Megan, your ball. Pass, Megan, pass.
Get back,
Annie, get back. I know these girls. Scarlett. Yep. Refs up. Scarlett, you're off. Yep. Striker. Nope. Just Anna right now. Let's go.
Zion, drop back.
No, honey. I told you before when you did like this, you can shoot off.
Zion, drop it, big
Get over it.
Get out, Shirley.
Let's go. Go.
Get ready, Hannah.
Get ready, Hannah.
Send it. Oh, beautiful.
Get back.
Strong. Maya,
Oh,
strong.
Ella.
Yes, Chris, yes.
Now, why, Olivia? He's good at rolling. You know you're rolling.
Turn it,
Ella, you
guys.
know you're rolling.
Push that big throw. Big throw. Maya, to you. Bring it, Maya. You got it. Cannot back away.
Step, Ozzy. Yes.